Birmingham, are you feeling? I can't hear you. UK, how you feeling? Yeah, that sounds more like it. My name is Daryl Sherry. Yeah. One love, my guy. I see you. One love, my baby. I see you too. I see you too. Oh my God, man, that's not good on me. Oh. I see you, my guy. Straight. So I'm here to take you on a musical journey, yeah? And I hope we stay together from this start to the end that I intend to give you. Are we together? So right now, I'm about to start my journey with a song called Mankind. This is Shewe when he gets angry. Right? My band, play the bongo. One more time. Adinyore kusama shibuda. Sheni monoti. Speni chukuru wakapasa. Gebuti. Sapesa nisi success is change. Yeah. Are we having a good time? Are we having a good time? I see you, my guy. Blessings. I see you, my baby. Blessings. I see you too. So you know, this is the part along the journey where we get to a time of Thanksgiving. You understand me, yeah? I want everybody in this room, by the time you leave, you should know that the one and only King Kong Delroy from Zimbabwe told each and every one of you that you are blessed. Do you understand me? Make some noise if you know you are blessed. Somebody say, way too blessed. Say, way too blessed. The next song I'm about to play is called Way Too Blessed. And it's from my album called Peace of Mind. I dropped it 6 months ago. Check it out on my socials and stores. My band, let's bless the people Birmingham because they have blessed us with their love. Make some noise for yourself for the support. I'm gonna say that every time because you're amazing, yeah? I want to know you, and you want to know me, but the same way still, just know you are blessed to the people, okay? This for each and every one of you. You're evening, yeah? From the east to the west, I'm blessed. Just like my life. Anywhere in there, I beat my chest. You come in and your life. Yeah, way too blessed to be stressed. Balagachi, Jamaianes, 10 times 4 is my portion. Falling down from heaven. Yeah. Oh, Shami, it's my flower. I'm going to keep that soup up with one wire. You don't know my swagger. We are falling over now. Way too blessed. Way too blessed. When I say that, way too blessed. Say I'm way too blessed. Don't stop. Way too blessed. Say I'm way too blessed. Way too blessed. Come to me, the ghetto shall be called IG. And when I get to the ghetto, oh, no, IG. And if you look at the video, don't do that shit. I'm way too blessed. Excuse my cheek. I never be glad I don't know that key. So I'm very sorry, my bad, I apologize sincerely, yeah? Do I have to go down on me? I do? Okay, why did you put that on me? I was joking to be so But anyway, so that's what we did as much as I also brought a journey, right? So by the sheet I'm one of 2 unreleased songs that I'm going to perform right here today. Special, yeah? It's Zimnicom's 16th anniversary, yeah? So I'm a 2 months old, I'm a brother. Comme président des autres, vous allez toujours les faces. And so this one is called Lonely. It's meant for those who are not to get lonely. But they're right back on the certain and they get lonely.
I never had to break. I never had to break.
Okay, like this. My band, play this. So brand new, unreleased. Is the journey going well? Make some noise for yourself. Yeah, don't like that, basic. What's the next one, my G? Give it to me. So to take it to the next one.
Ah, Joe, Arguroma. Arguroma. Ah, show Arguroma. Isso. Serene. Samsung iPhone Go. iPhone Go. iPhone Go. Hola, hola. Hola, cara, squad ya muy. iPhone Go, Samsung mal. Kaboom! Baba moza ni flavor ni mari yangu.
Ndicho chinotipedza Simba.
Baba ni flavor ni bakule mari yangu.
Tuwa kama sipo Simba. Tijiti yoshi kusini. Kubenya zona moyo wote ba. Mwanangu weshi sisi. Makara mwenye komba. Sutono tido bibi. Chinotipedza Simba. Chinotipedza mwene. Chinotipedza Simba. We share responsibility in everything I do. I stand in this outside. Now you ain't talking so go on. Put your phone on the place. Go on. I'm not looking at me. Go on. And if you're not going to listen, go on. And this thing will change.
Jamal Africa. Bravo. Acharo win. Achrabarega piwa. Icho. Amarelo piwa.
Yeah. I'm sorry it took a long time. I've been coming at you for a long time. Not no more time. I see you taking your right. Natalia, Natalia, so it's you, my sheep, Natalia, Natalia, you could be far, and then you know she, it's a whole new life. I did that with you, that we had in my Oh,